You have the option of reading it in light mode or in dark mode, whatever is your choices, and you will have your questions here. So the first question, जिसे आप इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में पढ़ सकते हैं, you can select both of them. तो जो पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका वो ये है कि स्काई रूट एरोस्पेस लॉन्च विक्रम 1 फ्रॉम श्रीहरिकोटा अंडर मिशन आगमन. आपने कल ये न्यूज में सुना होगा. The privately developed rocket can carry payloads of up to 350 km to low Earth orbit. A launch vehicle becomes lighter as it burns its propellant. जैसे जैसे launch vehicle ऊपर जाता है और वो अपने propellant को burn करता है, वो light होता जाता है. So, which named equation, कौन सा equation links its possible change in velocity, exhaust velocity, and the ratio of its initial and final mass? कौन सा वो equation है जो इनके बीच में relation establish करता है? Your options are Kepler equation, Bernoulli equation, Tsiolkovsky equation, sorry for my pronunciation on this, and Saha equation. So what is the answer for this? And say if you choose to answer A. So if your answer is wrong, it will be marked red that you have chosen a wrong answer. But say if you choose to answer the right, if the selection is the right answer, you will see a notification कि ये correct answer है, and then you will get to read about the some explanation part of it. So the answer for this question is Tsiolkovsky equation. The next question is England defeated France 6-4 in 2026 FIFA World Cup. आपने कल देखा होगा थर्ड प्लेस के लिए. So Bukayo Saka, who from England, he scored a hat trick as his team recorded its best finish since 1966. तो हैट्रिक उन्होंने किया. A player may score 3 goals in one match in several different ways. Which scoring combination is commonly called a perfect hat trick in football? फुटबॉल में परफेक्ट हैट्रिक क्या होता है? 1 goal in every 30 minute period, 1 goal from open play, 1 penalty and 1 free kick, 3 goals without another player scoring, या 1 goal with the left foot, 1 with the right foot and 1 with the head. What is perfect hat trick in football? Can you write your answer? And the answer for this is a perfect hat trick means 1 goal with the left foot, 1 with the right foot and 1 with the head. A normal hat trick does not require 3 consecutive goals. We go to the next one. आपने देखा होगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कल पहला हाइड्रोजन पावर ट्रेन जिंद हरियाणा में लॉन्च किया. The 10 coach train can carry about 2600 passengers on Jind Sonipat route. Its operating speed is 75 km and its design speed is 110 km per hour. Its fuel cells produce electricity with water vapor as the direct byproduct. So hydrogen train, fuel train, power train कल लॉन्च हुई थी इंडिया में. The world's first hydrogen fuel passenger cell entered regular service in Germany in 2018 and was developed by Alstom. आप इस कंपनी का नाम बार बार इंडिया के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में भी सुनते हैं. It is a French rail company, but it was developed in Germany in 2018. What is the model name of this train? Siemens Mirio plus H, Stadler Fleur H2, Coradia Island या CRRC Kinova H2. You can read this question in Hindi too. आप ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं. And what is the answer for it? If say we select this one, Coradia Island is the right answer for this. And if there are no more questions, then the next will be disabled here. So with this we come to end of today's quiz. हम लोग अब regularly आएंगे and we will be meeting and discussing questions in this format.